Good morning guys and lady, welcome my second vlog. Today it raining cat and dog. Cat and dog mean no kukur biral. Cat and dog mean very much rain. I learned high school. Teacher say cat and dog mean very much rain. It is raining very much now. I am sitting with doggy style. No, I mean dog sleeping doggy style. Now he want to sit in doggy style. I love doggy style. No, I mean I love the way doggy sleep. Okay, now it's raining. I have an umbrella. Now I want to eating cha. No cha. Cha mean tea. I want tea. Now I go to tea stall. Tea stall mean a stall where shopper sell tea and biri. Me no eating biri, me eating only tea. Okay, let's go and order some cha. I mean tea. Okay, now I close my umbrella. Very tight umbrella. Okay, it closed now. Order some cha. Okay, now go sit in the back because I am little boy. I am in tea stall. Now open umbrella to dry. Oh, it very tight. I need to use oil. Next time I will use oil so it get easy. Okay, now sit and wait for cha. I mean tea. Let the tea come to me. Okay, tea come. Let's taste the tea. How it tastes. Wow, it tastes so stupid. I said no sugar and this man add more sugar. Stupid cha. I will order again another cha. This bad cha. I mean bad tea. I want more tea. Good tea. Me ordering another tea. My new tea come to me. People eating biri, very unhealthy. Me no eating biri. Me watching TV, Corona news. Okay, now it's too late. Now I go my home before everything flooded. Okay, see you in Tom Tom. Now I am in Tom Tom. Tom Tom mean three-leg car, not leg. I mean three chaka. Chaka mean leg. No, three round leg car. It is raining very much outside, so cover by porda, not porda. It is actually cargo, no, paper, plastic paper, covered by plastic paper. Now me go home and see you another vlog. Bye.